Nariddu Kendra is established in 1991. The time the organization I formed, it was a great need to really address the gender inequality and the women's human rights in the development process. Nariddu Kendra's main objective is to promote the gender equality, human rights and personal and political empowerment of women and girls in Bangladesh. So in 2007, we met and developed the partnership with Solos. And since then, Sol still continued their funding amount with us. And with this support, we don't have any external support other than the Sol's funding. The whole objectives of the Agashundar Community Hospital is to provide the safe and clinical services for the poorest of the poor, because who otherwise doesn't have any options to access into the clinical services. Currently, eye care services operating very well, because NUK has another secondary specialized independent eye care hospital, so they provided us the technical services. But the physiotherapy and the pathology and the dental unit has been stopped and needs to be reorganized. Under the scope of the maternal and child care program of Agashundar Community Hospitals, every week with the partnership with the government, the hospital provides the immunization. That means a 5 vaccination program, of life-saving vaccination program to the children, newly born children, just started from after 3 months. Secondly, our most regular and very reputed program is the eye care development. So every day we screen eye patients who come with different complaints, including the identification of the cataracts, and provide a good quality of surgery to the older people, especially in this country, because due to the cataract, 80% blindness are caused in Bangladesh.